Hello friends, welcome you all back to our channel and thank you for subscribing my channel. Please do share and subscribe more and more these videos so that I get motivated to put more videos for you all. Today we are going to discuss a very important function on Excel, that is concatenate function. This is a text function. When you say it is a text function, what do you mean by this? It means that this is going to be applied on text string, not on numbers. Even if it is applied on numbers, it will be applied as if the numbers are text. Okay, more we will discuss this in detail and you'll be able to understand what it is. And I just want to tell you that this is some function which is not known by everyone, and this is very important function and can be used in your daily routine data, and it can make your works more easily and more quickly. So this function as I said, is a text function. It helps us to, as the meaning of concatenate, dictionary meaning of concatenate says, add by linking or joining so as to form a chain or series. So what it does, it helps to join or add two or more things to make a string, to make a chain, right? So for example, in one column it is written Ram and in another column it is written Singh, and if you want this to be written in one single column, so it should be written as Ram Singh in one single column. So you can apply you can apply this function concatenate. Just I'll just show you how. So just type concatenate equal to concatenate bracket start, then go to Ram, select that cell in which you want to which two cells you want to combine. It can be two or more cells also. Okay, so select the first cell and then the second cell. You don't have to do plus, you have to do comma, concatenate start a6 comma b6 and bracket close. So you can see it is written Ram Singh in one single sentence. In one single sentence it is written. So if it is an address, for example, I'll just write it here. For example, it is written like 1205 house number. Okay. So might be in area like Chimvihar or any X area, and then there is Delhi, and then there is pin code. I don't know whether it is the correct pin code, but I'm just showing you the function. So I'll just start concatenate bracket start. So just I have to do selection of these all the cells with the help of uh, commas in between, and I'll just get this in one single column. So one flaw here you can see is, so there are no spaces in between. So I can't write the address like 1205 Paschim Vihar, Delhi without any space. So you can see there is one space after Paschim and Vihar, there is space, and but there are no spaces between 1205 Delhi pin code. Why it is so? So I'll just show you why this has happened, because in Paschim Vihar I had written already there was a space. So it has picked up the space, right? So similarly, if I'll just go to Ram and I'll just enter one space after Ram, it will pick Ram and Singh. There would be a space, right? If I'll do this same in Sham and then Mittal, it will pick Sham Mittal. But do you think this is possible if you have thousands of rows and thousands of columns? So you can just go and type space in each and every data and just get it combined. The combined data you get after getting it will get the space. No, this is not possible. So there should be another way of doing it. So I'll just reverse the spaces first of all to show how you can do it. So rather than doing this, I'll just show you. You have to do, start with concatenate again, same, go to Ram, then comma, then you will have to add space, then comma, and then Singh. Oh, it's not done again. So what is the mistake? The mistake is when you have when you have put the space in here, you'll have to add apostrophes. So A6, comma, apostrophe, space, apostrophes. So it's double commas actually, not apostrophes. A6, comma, double commas, brackets, inverted commas. You would say inverted commas, space, inverted commas, close, space, and B6. Now it's done, right? So in order to add space in between two of the texts, you have to use the inverted commas. If you'll use the inverted commas outside the space, inverted comma in, inverted comma out, then the space will be taken as a next or a second or third text. It will be considered as text actually. Space would itself be considered a text. So it is like joining three texts. You are not joining actually two texts. You are joining three texts. One is Ram, another one is space, another one is thing, sing. So you are joining three texts. First is Ram, second is space, and third is sing. So you are actually joining space in between them, right? So to join the space, you have to use inverted commas. That's the main trick. Most of the people knows about concatenate, but they don't know how to use the inverted commas or how to insert space in between, right? So this is the right way of doing it. You can use inverted commas in between and then use the formula. If anybody knows any other ways, please, I'll be very grateful to know about it. Please type in the comment box, and don't try using ram and space. You cannot use it every time. So I'll just show you here also how we can add space in between. Similarly, I'll just add space, comma. I do it in this way only, and then at last I'll enter inverted commas. So why I do this like this? Because I found it little easier doing like this. You can directly use inverted commas and get your answer, right? Now it's looking good. Yes. Okay, now where it can be used. What are the major areas which I have found in my working experience that where I can use concatenate so that you can use it in your areas too. Moreover, for more users, you have to make the use of your own mind when you get the understanding of the formula, and then you can think upon the instances or in the situations you can think where you can use it. So every time you learn a formula, you have to always try in using yourself in your practical life. Then only you will be able to understand them and apply them and make your work quicker. So just the examples which I'll tell you where I have used it so that you can also use it there. So one simple thing which I have told you is joining words or making sentences. One another common example where it can be used very gracefully is it is just shown in here. So in addresses, sometimes what happen if you get a list of addresses of say North India or some two or three states, you have some data of any students or in other peoples, and you have the list of addresses, and you want to get select some particular location address. So like in this list, so you can see there are three columns: house number, city, and state. There can be much more columns for this. There can be like city, state, any other pin code, and some others. Address line 1, address line 2, like these there can be more than these columns, and like it is written in first row, 73XX colony, okay, and then Delhi, so it is okay. Then it is written 44 Tohana, Hisar, Haryana, right? Then it is written 99 Tohana, Haryana. So if you want to get search Tohana in the list, so these are only three line items, so you can easily search it out, like this is in this column, row number 2 and row number 3, you have Tohana. The address is from Tohana. But I'll just say that since this is very small data, you can easily find it out. But if you want to, this is a very high or huge data, then you have to use the filters in order to find a control F find. To find it out to HANA. But if you want to find it out all to HANA, so the best approach is filter. But can you see this? if I just apply filter in city, I don't get the one in which house number it was written along with the house number, right? So I need this Tohana to be written in one column so that I can just apply the filter easily. I hope you are able to understand. What I want is I want to search out Tohana in all the rows so that I can get the data of the Tohana collectively. But that needs to be done with the help of filter, and filter can be put once in any column, right? So I'll just, what I'll have to do, as I said, I'll apply concatenate. I'll just add these these three columns as space is not there. It's like this. If I want to add comma, I can add commas too. So if I want to add comma after, then also again, as I said, I can add anything with the help of inverted commas. I can make inverted this with the help of inverted commas. I can make this as a text string, right? So if I want to add comma, then also again I have to use this with the help of inverted commas, right? So if I don't want this space, I'll just remove it. It can be like this, right? So I can just copy it down to the other cells. Now I can just type it out address. I can just reapply the filter thing and I'll get, now I can just write Tuhana here and I'll get the two lines in one single search. So I don't have to search in column B and then in column A. I can just search directly in D and I'll get my data. So I hope you are able to understand when you have to search in common, when you have to search in common, then you can use this. This helps you in searching, making your search very easily. So concatenate is very important formula. Please try and use it in your actual life, your practical life. Thank you for watching this video, and please like and subscribe my channel for more such videos, and also let me know what other formulas I can help in. Thank you.